Today, I want to share something with you that most people never truly hear in their lifetime. This is not about money. This is not about fame. This is about that one thing, that invisible, priceless thing that makes a human being truly rich from the inside. The thing that gives peace to the heart, sweetness to sleep, and real meaning to life. Think about it this morning. When you opened your eyes, what was your very first thought? Did you take a breath and feel grateful to be alive? Or did worry rush in immediately? Bills, deadlines, problems, pressure. If that is what happened, you are not alone. Almost every person on this earth is trapped in that same race. Everyone is chasing more, but here is the question that nobody stops to ask. Does this race ever end? Our ancestors knew something we have forgotten. Across centuries, across civilizations, across every great tradition of wisdom, one truth has remained constant. The great Caliph Ali ibn Abi Talib once said that true wealth is not having a lot. True wealth is when the soul is content. And this is not just a religious idea. That is a truth that philosophers, sages, and wise people across all of human history have arrived at again and again. Contentment is not just a virtue, it is the foundation of genuinely good life. Look around you and you will see it clearly. There are people who have very little by the world's standards, a small home, plain food, simple clothes. And yet, when you look into their eyes, there is a light there, a warmth, a calmness that money cannot buy. When they speak, you feel at ease. When they smile, something in you relaxes. This is not coincidence. This is the power of contentment made visible. And then look at the other side. How many people do you know, or perhaps you have read about, who have everything the world calls success? Full bank accounts, luxury cars, grand homes, thousands of followers, every material comfort imaginable, and yet they cannot sleep at night. They take pills to rest. They are drowning in depression. Their relationships are broken. Their hearts are completely empty. Why? Because in the race for more, they left their peace somewhere far behind. They earned so much that they forgot how to live. Let me tell you a simple story that I think will stay with you. Many years ago, in a small village, there lived an old farmer. He had no large land, no savings, no status. Every morning he rose early, worked in his field, ate whatever was available, came home at sunset, and slept with a peaceful heart. One day, a wealthy merchant was passing through that village. He saw this farmer, how freely he laughed, how lightly he walked, how completely unbothered he seemed. The merchant was puzzled. He stopped and asked, "Friend, why are you so happy? You have almost nothing." The farmer smiled gently and said, "I am happy because I have everything I need." The merchant frowned, "But you have barely anything." The farmer replied, "I have my health, my children are well, my sleep is sound, my heart is clean. Tell me, what more do I need?" The merchant had no answer. He walked away in silence, and perhaps for the first time in his life, he realized that he himself was the poorer man. This story is not just a story, it is a mirror held up to our own lives. How many of us are waiting for happiness to arrive? When I get that promotion, then I will be happy. When I buy that house, then I will relax. When I reach that level, then life will truly begin. But that moment never comes. Because happiness is not of destination. Contentment is not something you find at the end of a journey. It is a way of seeing. It is a choice you make right now with what you already have. There is a verse in the Quran that has transformed the lives of millions of people across centuries. God says, "Verily, in the remembrance of God do hearts find rest." Not in money, not in power, not in possession, in gratitude, in remembrance, in contentment. And this is the secret that even the wealthiest people on earth often never discover until it is far too late. You have probably heard stories of billionaires at the end of their lives saying, "I wish I had spent more time with my family. I wish I had stopped to notice the beauty around me. I wish I had lived instead of just earning." This regret, this is the most expensive regret in the world. And the heartbreaking thing is that by the time most people understand this truth, the years are already gone. But you right now still have time. This very moment is an opportunity. You are hearing these words at a time when you can still make a different choice. Contentment is not weakness. It is not giving up. It is not settling for less. Contentment is the highest form of strength. The person who is satisfied with less is dependent on no one. The person who is grateful multiplies the blessing in their life. The person who can eat simple food and still feel peace, that person is truly free, truly powerful, truly deeply unshakably rich. So, starting today, not tomorrow, not next week, but right now, do one thing. Look at what you have and genuinely, sincerely say thank you, no matter how little it seems. Remember that there are millions of people on this earth who have far less than you, and they are still breathing, still smiling, still finding reasons to go on. Contentment is a choice, and that choice belongs to you and no one else. As I close, I want to leave you with this. The world will always tell you that you need more, more money, more followers, more things, more everything. That voice will never stop, but deep inside you, there is another voice. A quieter voice, a wiser voice, the voice of your own soul. And that voice already knows where true peace lives. Listen to it. Choose contentment. Embrace it not as a last resort but as a first priority. Because the person who eats simple food and remains satisfied, that person carries the greatest treasure nature has ever offered. That is the real secret of life, and that is a wealth that no one, nothing, and no one circumstance can ever take away from you. If this video touched your heart today, if even one moment made you stop and think, then please do one simple thing. Hit the like button right now. Share this video with someone you love, someone who needs to hear these words today. Because you never know whose life might change because of something you passed along. And please subscribe to this channel so that very week words like these find their way to you. Words that remind you of what truly matters. Until next time, take care of your heart. It is your greatest wealth.